Welcome back to Crypto A Predictor. Today, we aren't just doing a quick update. We are launching an 8-minute masterclass on one of DeFi's true titans. We're diving deep into Perpetual Protocol, a project that has served as a foundational pillar of the decentralized finance world since the very beginning. In 2026, the market is crowded with unproven protocols, yet this battle-tested giant is undergoing a transformation that many are overlooking. This is the platform that pioneered the idea of trading futures without a central authority, removing the need for middlemen or black box platforms. Right now, Perpetual Protocol is positioning itself to be the primary liquidity engine for the next generation of on-chain traders worldwide. Over the next few minutes, we will break down the game-changing technology and reveal the AI-driven price target our models have flagged for this bull run. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Help us bring you the most accurate on-chain data in the space as we navigate this cycle. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile. Consult a professional before investing. To understand where we're going, we have to look back. Perpetual Protocol was one of the first to bring perpetual futures to the Ethereum blockchain. In traditional finance, futures have expiration dates, but Perpetual Protocol realized crypto traders wanted positions they could hold indefinitely on-chain. The breakthrough was the Virtual Automated Market Maker, or vAMM. Unlike traditional order books, it uses a mathematical engine for instant liquidity. This engine allows for trading assets that don't even have a massive spot market yet, providing a flexible and robust environment for all. But Ethereum mainnet was slow and expensive. That's why the protocol made the strategic move to Optimism, a leading Layer 2 scaling solution. On Optimism, you get the security of Ethereum with lightning-fast execution and fees that cost just pennies per trade. It's a game changer. Perpetual v2 Curie introduced concentrated liquidity, leveraging the power of Uniswap v3 to make liquidity provision far more capital efficient. This allowed LPs to earn more rewards with less risk by focusing their capital on specific price ranges where most of the trading happens. Now in 2026, we are entering the era of V3. This is the smart liquidity framework designed for deep liquidity and institutional-grade performance. The protocol is becoming a favorite for trading bots and hedge funds that require precision and reliability that centralized exchanges lack. The narrative for 2026 is clear. The trust gap in centralized exchanges is at an all-time high. People want transparency and self-custody. Investors are moving toward code-governed protocols. They no longer want to rely on the promises of a CEO. They want to rely on the math of the blockchain. Perpetual Protocol is one of the few that generates real revenue. It collects fees from every trade and uses them to sustain the entire ecosystem. This creates a sustainable loop where participants are rewarded for their activity and the protocol's insurance fund grows stronger every day. Furthermore, the rise of agentic AI traders has changed the volume game. AI bots now plug into Perpetual Protocol's APIs to trade 24/7. This creates a permanent floor of trading volume and liquidity that simply didn't exist in previous market cycles. It's a structural shift. The Perp token is the heart of this network. It secures the system and gives the community a voice in choosing which new markets to list. From traditional crypto to commodities like gold and oil, which are now trading on-chain, the community decides the future of the platform. As the protocol sunsets older versions, we are seeing a liquidity migration that is causing a squeeze in the circulating supply of Perp tokens. When you combine a shrinking supply with a massive surge in platform usage, you get a powerful recipe for significant price appreciation. Now, let's get into the data you've been waiting for. Our proprietary AI at Crypto AI Predictor has finished its latest deep learning simulation. We've crunched everything: volume to TVL ratios, active wallets on Optimism, and historical cycle multipliers for the entire DeFi sector. Our networks are spotting a technical recovery pattern that mirrors the early days of the massive 2021 breakout. The similarities are striking. We're also factoring in the institutional on-ramp, professional firms using decentralized perps to hedge their massive spot positions. By projecting these variables through Fibonacci extensions and current liquidity depth, the path toward the cycle peak becomes very clear. According to our simulation, as the market reaches its most aggressive phase of this 2026 cycle, Perp is predicted to hit a technical target of 1.5. Reaching 1.5 would represent a total re-rating of the token. It signals that it has reclaimed its status as a leading DeFi infrastructure asset. This valuation aligns perfectly with the billions of dollars in trading volume being processed by the new V3 engine on Optimism. As more traders realize they can get better execution and 100% self-custody on-chain, the organic demand for Perp is expected to accelerate. This isn't just speculation, it's a fundamental shift in how the world trades. Perpetual Protocol is at the very center of that shift. The protocol has survived bear markets, technical shifts, and the DeFi winter. It has come out stronger, leaner, and more efficient than ever. In a world demanding more transparency and control over capital, Perpetual Protocol is the answer for many traders and investors. As we navigate the rest of this bull run, keep a close eye on the funding rates and open interest on the platform. Those are the heartbeats. Right now, the data is screaming growth. The volume is returning, and the institutional interest is just beginning to peak. Let's go deeper into the vAMM. Unlike traditional AMMs like Uniswap v2, there are no actual tokens in the liquidity pools for traders to swap. Instead, the pool tracks virtual balances. This allows for massive leverage and high-speed execution without the need for physical asset delivery. This unique architecture is what allows Perpetual Protocol to offer up to 10x leverage on-chain with the security of the underlying blockchain. It's a balance of risk and reward that has been refined over years of market volatility, making it one of the safest places to trade perps. And we can't ignore the synergy with the Optimism ecosystem. As Optimism grows, Perpetual Protocol grows right alongside it. With the introduction of the superchain and shared sequencer networks, the liquidity available to perp traders is set to expand exponentially. In 2026, we're seeing banks and financial institutions building their own front ends that plug directly into the Perpetual Protocol smart contracts. This hidden layer of adoption is what our AI identifies as the true catalyst for the upcoming price target. It's the silent giant waking up. The long-term vision is a world where all financial assets, from stocks to real estate, are traded as perpetuals on a decentralized network. Perpetual Protocol is building the rails for that future today. They are not just a DEX, they are the future of global market infrastructure. For the community, staking perp isn't just about voting, it's about being a part of that infrastructure and sharing in the protocol's success. By staking, you help secure the system, and in return, you participate in the growth of a project that has proven its resilience time and again. So, as we look at the target of 1.5, we see it not as a ceiling, but as a milestone, a re-rating based on hard data and technical evolution. The journey to 1.5 will likely be volatile, as all crypto journeys are, but the underlying fundamentals have never been stronger than they are now. Stay updated by following our channel and joining our community discussions. We'll be tracking this target every step of the way in 2026. Your voice matters in this decentralized journey. Let us know in the comments what you think about Perpetual Protocol and our AI target. Thank you for joining this 8-minute masterclass. I'm Mario Nostriano, and this is Crypto Eye Predictor. We'll see you in the next deep dive.